Hello, welcome back Turkey Hair Center YouTube channel. Today, we will inform you about female hair loss, and what causes female hair loss. If you are a woman who has ever observed an upsurge in hair shedding, you might be wondering what is up. Humans typically shed 50 to 100 individual hairs every day as part of the normal cycle. In short, old hairs fall away, allowing new ones to develop. When this equilibrium is disrupted, when more hair falls out than is replaced, hair loss becomes a problem. It is a worthwhile issue to investigate, because it may influence everybody. So, let us take a deeper look to see what is going on and what may be causing it. Recognizing women's hair loss symptoms. The hair loss in women does occasionally scream, on at times, subtle indications reveal its presence. Here are some common warning signs to keep an eye out for. Shedding. You might observe that when you brush or comb your hair, more strands are left behind than usual. It is shedding if your hair is communicating with you. Hair everywhere. It looks that your hair has grown a proclivity for accumulating on your clothes, pillows, towels, and even in your bathtub drain. It is like an unwanted guest who hates to leave. Thinning locks. One of the more obvious symptoms is when your once voluminous hair begins to thin. It's like if someone reduced the volume on your hair. Visible scalp areas. One of the most worrying symptoms is the ability to view areas of your scalp. It is like getting a look behind the curtain. Hair loss in women frequently causes thinning in the middle third to half of the scalp, whereas in men, it usually affects the forehead or crown of the head. When you pull your hair back, you may notice that more of your scalp is visible, your part may gradually spread, or your ponytail does not feel as full as it used to. It is your hair's way of alerting you that something is wrong. What is the most common cause of female hair loss? The primary cause of hair loss in women globally is female pattern baldness, additionally referred to as androgenetic alopecia. This type of hair loss in women is highly genetic and passes on either from your mother or father. Approximately 30 million women are affected. It usually occurs in your late 50 years or your early 60s. Nevertheless, it's possible to become conscious of it as early as their late teenagers, but the earlier it appears, the more severe it is normally. Menopausal hormone changes can also have an effect on this type of baldness. Your follicles gradually contract, and the growth cycle is shortened with this form of hair loss. Hair falls out naturally. However, new hairs regrow at a finer, thinner pace. Some follicles may eventually stop generating hair. If you have female pattern baldness, you probably will not lose all of your hair. However, if left untreated, symptoms could worsen over time. Thank you for the iTuning. Do not forget to subscribe and like. To many more, visit our website and Instagram.